My name is Jacob Forgit. I am based in the Portland, Maine area, and I own and operate Nautilus Boat Works, which is a mobile shrink wrap operation servicing greater Portland and sometimes into New Hampshire. I've been in business for about 5 years, shrink wrapping powerboats, sailboats, in the water and out of the water, doing a wide variety of shrink wrap projects from porch furniture to I recently covered a skylight for a water district in Portland that is going to replace their skylight next year, but it wasn't in the budget for this year. So to prevent leaks over the winter, I went up on the roof and built a frame around this 25-foot skylight and shrink wrapped that for them. I've also done a few industrial shrink wraps for equipment that is being shipped via truck that they didn't want any air exposure to in transit. That we heard about bioWRAP through our Kellogg rep, and we were a little curious, a little apprehensive, and we ended up ordering one small roll, and I did about 4 boats with it and found it to be incredible. And a lot of my customers dislike the waste that goes on at the end of the year in the spring when we unwrap the boats. And we thought this would be a fantastic opportunity to get more people who were hesitant to get into shrink wrap by using the bioAqualife product. We were all in once we saw that it was very durable and completely biodegradable. Most of my customers are like, some were hesitant to do shrink wrap because they hated that it was going to go into the landfill and just be there forever, and have been asking me probably for 4 years if there was a product out there that will biodegrade over time but still be durable for a tough Maine winter. And I'm psyched to have that option for them now as well, and feel good about all the plastic that I'm not using now. We're 100% doing bioAqualife now. We're no longer doing anything with the old white plastic wrap. I shrunk wrap a 26-foot sailboat with the mast up, which requires lots of seams and stitching together with the wrap. And the bioAqualife seemed to stick better when doing the seams with the mast with the sailboat up